So you're wondering if the Scrimba React course is worth your time and money? Well, let's dive in and find out. Now, is it reliable? Absolutely. Scrimba has built a solid reputation for its interactive learning approach, and Bob Zirol's React course in particular gets a lot of love from students. But is it the best way to learn React? Well, that depends. But before we dive in, let me be upfront. This review is purely theoretical. I research industry trends, user experiences, and online discussions to provide you with the best possible insights. My goal is to help you understand your situation and make informed decisions. Also, before we go deeper, if you're looking for a legit way to make money online, check out my recommended program in the comments section. Many of my audience have achieved financial stability within a year by putting in the effort. If you're serious about making money online, it's worth a look. All right, let's get into it. 1. Here's what this is all about. What is Scrimba React course? Scrimba is an online platform that provides interactive coding lessons. Unlike traditional video courses where you just watch, Scrimba lets you pause, edit, and interact with the instructor's code in real time, like a virtual coding playground. Who's the instructor? The course is led by Bob Zirol, a well-respected educator in the React space. He's got a solid reputation for making complex concepts simple. Price. Scrimba offers a free version with limited content, but to access the full React course, you'll need to subscribe to Scrimba's Pro plan, which costs around $39 per month or $299 per year. Who is it for? If you have a basic understanding of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS and want to dive into React, this course is a great starting point. Let's discuss what you should know about this 8 key points. 1. Highly interactive learning. Unlike Udemy or YouTube tutorials, Scrimba allows you to tweak and test code directly in the video player. It's like being in a coding simulator. 2. Great for beginners. The course starts from React fundamentals and builds up to more complex topics. 3. Updated content. The course was recently updated for React 19, so you're not learning outdated concepts. 4. Project-based learning. Instead of just theory, you'll be building real-world projects, which makes learning more practical. 5. Great community support. Scrimba has an active Discord community where you can ask questions and get help. 6. No back-end development. The course is purely focused on React and front-end development, so if you're looking for a full-stack experience, you might need another resource. 7. Subscription model can be expensive. Unlike Udemy where you pay once, Scrimba follows a monthly subscription model. If you're not consistent, the costs can add up. 8. Requires self-discipline. Since it's self-paced, you have to stay disciplined. No one is forcing you to complete the lessons. My honest thoughts about Scrimba's React course. Now, let's get into my honest thoughts. I've put together 8 key points that I think you should consider before investing your time and money into Scrimba's React course. 1. It's beginner-friendly, but not a one-stop shop. Scrimba's React course is an excellent starting point for beginners. Bob Zirol, the instructor, does a great job of breaking down complex React concepts into digestible lessons. The interactive nature of the platform also allows you to practice directly within the lessons, making it a lot more engaging than watching passive video lectures. However, and this is a big however, you shouldn't expect to become a React pro just by finishing this course. Learning React, like any programming skill, requires a lot of hands-on experience and real-world projects. Scrimba gets you started, but you'll need to continue practicing outside the course, exploring documentation and working on your own projects. 2. Interactive learning is a game changer. One of the biggest selling points of Scrimba is its interactive coding environment. Instead of just watching videos, you can pause and edit code in real time, testing out your own ideas as you go. This feature makes it feel like you're pair programming with an instructor rather than just watching a lecture. It's great for people who learn by doing rather than just listening. But here's the thing. While the interactivity is great, it can sometimes spoil you. Many learners struggle when they transition to working in their own development environment because Scrimba's setup makes everything too convenient. You won't have to deal with setting up projects, debugging common installation errors, or navigating through real-world development tools. 3. The content is well structured, but you'll need supplementary learning. Scrimba's React course follows a well-organized path. It covers the fundamentals such as components, props, state management, and React hooks before diving into more advanced topics like context API and performance optimization. But here's the catch. React is constantly evolving, and while Scrimba does update its course, it's not as immediate as reading the official React documentation. Some people in online discussions point out that React 18 updates were eventually included, but by the time React 19 rolls out, who knows how fast Scrimba will update? So while the structure is solid, always cross-reference it with the official React docs and other learning resources to ensure you're working with up-to-date knowledge. Hamshnar 4. Bob Zirol is a great teacher, but your learning style matters. Bob Zirol, the instructor, gets a lot of praise in online discussions. He explains things in a clear and engaging way, making sure even beginners don't feel overwhelmed. However, not everyone learns the same way. Some people find his teaching style too fast-paced, while others want more real-world applications beyond the course projects. If you're someone who prefers deep dive, step-by-step explanations, you might find other React courses, like Maximilian Schwarzmüller's on Udemy, to be more comprehensive. 5. The price factor affordable compared to boot camps. Scrimba has a free React course that covers a good chunk of the basics, but if you want access to their full front-end developer career path, it's a paid subscription. Compared to expensive coding boot camps that cost thousands of dollars, Scrimba is a bargain. However, some learners pointed out that Udemy offers React courses for a one-time fee, while Scrimba is a recurring subscription. If you're someone who likes to revisit courses over time, you might prefer Udemy's pricing model. Now 6, you'll need to supplement with hands-on projects. While Scrimba's React course includes coding challenges and projects, you won't truly master React unless you build your own projects from scratch. A lot of people take courses but struggle to apply what they've learned when working on independent projects. My advice, as you go through the course, try to build small real-world applications, like a to-do app, a weather app, or even a personal portfolio. 7. Scrimba's community is helpful, but not as active as others. Scrimba has a community forum where you can ask questions, but compared to places like Reddit, Dev2, or Discord communities, it's not as lively. If you get stuck, you might get faster responses by searching Stack Overflow or joining a React-focused Discord server. So while the Scrimba community is helpful, don't limit yourself to just that platform. 8. Is it worth it for beginners? Yes, Scrimba is definitely worth it. It's interactive, affordable, and led by a great instructor. For advanced learners, not really. If you already know JavaScript well and want to dive deep into React, you'd be better off reading the official documentation, building real-world projects, and watching more in-depth courses. The pros and cons of Scrimba's React course. Pros, 5 points and explanations. Interactive learning experience. Unlike passive video courses, Scrimba allows you to pause, edit, and run code in real time, making it a hands-on experience. Beginner-friendly and well-structured. The course is logically arranged, starting with React basics and gradually progressing to more advanced topics. Affordable compared to boot camps. While not free, Scrimba is significantly cheaper than coding boot camps, making it a great value for self-paced learners. Engaging instructor. Bob Zirol's clear and energetic teaching style makes learning React less intimidating for beginners. Includes hands-on challenges. The course integrates mini projects and coding challenges, helping reinforce what you learn. Cons. 5 points and explanations. Limited exposure to real-world dev environment. Because Scrimba runs in a sandboxed environment, you don't get much practice setting up projects locally. Requires supplementary learning. You may need to consult other resources, like the official React docs or additional courses, to fully grasp React concepts. Subscription model versus one-time payment. Unlike Udemy courses, which are one-time purchases, Scrimba requires continuous payments. not ideal for advanced learners. If you already know React basics, you might find the course too elementary and lacking in depth. Community support is limited. While Scrimba has forums, they're not as active as other developer communities like Reddit or Discord. Final thoughts and my recommended program. So is Scrimba's React course worth it? For beginners, absolutely. It's a fun, interactive and affordable way to start learning React. But if you're serious about becoming a job-ready React developer, you need to supplement it with real-world projects, documentation reading and additional resources. And speaking of learning skills that make you money, if you're looking for a reliable way to start an online business and achieve financial freedom, I highly recommend checking out Scrimba. Click here to join the program. This program has helped countless people become financially stable within a year by following proven strategies. If you're looking to change your financial future, this could be a game changer. Click the link in the video description to learn more. That's it for this review. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried Scrimba? What's your experience? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful reviews like this. See you in the next video.